Good day to you. Out on another stroll this about midday on Sunday. Pretty nice out. Just want to do a little recap of what's going on. Hoping to get in, 6 or so miles today. Still not running. Well, really had no plan to start yet, but went from probably running 25 to 40 miles a week when I was like really trying to train up over 6 days, broken out over 6 days a week. Now to maybe walking 12 to 15, somewhere in there, maybe a little more depending. So nothing crazy. Obviously it takes a lot longer when you're walking, but got to do it with my knee. So just trying to get that thing back in action. So sometimes it feels pretty good, and other times you just think about it and it starts hurting. Hadn't even done anything. So that's kind of where I'm at. However, I have started some peptides. So I think I mentioned before, I did a full blood panel and I had my review. I'm using Ways to Well for that. You can find them online. And basically I pay for 2 panels for the year. They give you a full assessment over Zoom, and then prescribe you where you might be lacking. You don't have to buy through them or anything, but I went ahead and did that. So I'm like 5 supplements and then 2 peptides, and then most of the supplements are kind of what you'd expect, multivitamin, some digestive stuff for gut health, and omega-3 kind of standard stuff, but their recommended doses basically for like a multivitamin. And then so taking that stuff, the peptides, which was totally new to me, taking GHK, an oral version of that, and BPC 157. That's a subcutaneous injection, tiny little needle. I didn't think I would like that, but it hasn't really been an issue at all. It's so tiny you can't even feel it. But anyway, both of those are supposed to help me on my tissue recovery, hopefully for my knee, and then inflammation as a whole, skin, and all that stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Basically have a 60-90 day dose of that, or with refills would be that amount, and then reassess after that, because I don't think you keep on it full time. Don't plan to, especially if I don't need it. From what I understand, maybe after 30 days, you should be, getting some kind of noticeable improvement. But since I'm not really putting that much pressure on my knee as a whole as far as impact from running, I think it's a pretty good chance that'll happen. I am doing leg exercises and split squats and what have you, so I am working the knee, hopefully building it up in a non-damaging way, and not working against myself here. But I'll put up my workout routine here soon, and then you'll see anything you like to comment on or criticize or whatever, please feel free, because I'm just learning. Like I said, not really been a structured workout type of guy my whole life, so that's where we're at on that. And just gonna keep pushing. I believe I'm gonna do the 4 days a week for weightlifting or strength training, and then trying to cardio that many, at least 4 or 5 days a week as well, if not a little more, if I can find the time, because I just want to be able to keep being able to do things, just basically stay capable, like out at the if it was a small hunting property. And I was out there this weekend trying to get a new blind set up, and so that's, you know, kind of the stuff I really enjoy doing. So need to stay fit and strong enough to get it done. But that's the recap for now. We'll catch you later.